Hi everyone, this is Hui Xu from Inner Art of Music. We do online classical piano performance skills evaluation to save traveling and lodging expenses for students who have been studying classical piano for years and have university or conservatory auditions as their learning goal. In this evaluation, a comprehensive report and 3 demonstration videos will be made available to help students to easily and effectively understand their competitive strengths and weaknesses. Even if the parents are without music backgrounds, the 45-minute consultation will help in understanding the current musical level of the student. Now, let's have a quick review of a sample video. In the demonstration videos, important points needing improvement will be highlighted and demonstrated. For example, J.S. Bach's F minor Sinfonia, measure 12. Finger pedal connection is necessary for right hand B-flat note before the mordent. This is the way you played. If you don't use the finger pedal there, you will break up the phrase. This is the way I suggest this measure be played. Four to 5. One more time. The next example illustrates problems with the least lever strum. You should stretch a little longer in the second half of measure 54, so that in measure 55, the descending octave pattern can be played from slow to fast to produce the feeling of rolling down a hill. This is the way you played. Everything is on time. And this is the way I suggest this section be played, which includes a little rhythmic flexibility. The demonstration videos like this can help students to review their problems as many times as they want to increase the efficiency and the productivity of piano practice time. Thank you for watching this video. Should you have any question, feel free to contact us. We are here to help every student shine on the stage.